Hey there, let's take a moment to meet a truly comfortable addition for your outdoor living area, the Mayhew Swivel Rocker from Berlin Gardens. It pairs the classic, clean lines you expect from a refined outdoor collection with a smooth swivel-and-rock motion that invites you to sit back, relax, and stay a while. This chair is built with low-maintenance poly lumber that stands up to sun, rain, and coastal air without the cracking, splintering, or rotting you get from natural wood. The finish is color-infused and resistant to UV fade, so you won't need to repaint or reseal season after season. It's a practical choice for busy homeowners who want the look of traditional porch furniture with modern durability. Comfort is front and center. The cushions are designed to dry quickly and are wrapped for softness, while the seating foam rebounds nicely after use. The upholstery is a high-quality outdoor fabric that's easy to clean and engineered to resist fading and mildew, so spills and sunshine are less of a worry. Thoughtful details make a difference, from reinforced seams and neat trim on the cushions to corrosion-resistant fasteners and a robust swivel mechanism engineered for long-term use. The overall result is a chair that feels substantial, looks sophisticated, and performs well outdoors. So, if you're ready to learn more or shop for this item, our San Diego-based team is ready to help. They've learned about every product firsthand in our showroom, so they can answer any question you have. Or if you're not in the San Diego area, just click the link to this item in the description below.